Here is one thing you should do if you are serious about making money online. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in this video, I want to talk about something that I'm currently doing to help me achieve my financial goals. And I think anybody who is serious about making money online should take this advice. Like the title of this video is, what you need to do if you are serious about making money online. But actually, this can apply to whatever you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? Online, offline, business, relationships, whatever. Like, I think this tip can really help. And that is, you need to put blinders on. Now, I know you're probably like, what is you talking about? What, I clicked on this video for you to tell me to put some damn blinders on? Yes, you did. So here's what I mean by putting on blinders. All right, so you got a goal, whatever it is. You have to focus in on that goal. Focus in on getting the results for that goal. And you might be thinking like, dude, of course that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I do it all the time. But do you really have blinders on? Which means you're not getting distracted from things over here, from things over here. You are sticking to the plan because you already know what you need to do to achieve your goals, and you need to stick to them. And when I say put blinders on, I'm not telling you that you need to shut everything down you doing in life. You need to break up with your girlfriend, send your kids off to a camp, quit your job. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, you know your goal, you know what you need to do, stick to the plan. So even if you're trying to do stuff online and you got a full-time job, right? You might be like, yo, I can't do what you talk about. I got a job to attend to. I got kids and everything. That's great, right? But that doesn't take away from you focusing on your goals. So if you work in a 9-to-5 job, you got family, what you need to do is prioritize for what you're trying to do online or whatever you're trying to do. Say, for example, you're trying to start your own t-shirt business, right? You know everything you need to do, and you know it's going to take a lot of work. So what you need to do is have your set times, your schedules for when you work on your t-shirt business. And no matter what, you find time to get it in. You do not miss those scheduled days. So if you working or you got other things going on, well, Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., you got free time. Or maybe an hour after work, Monday through Friday, you come home and you do the things you need to do, right? Because you know your goals. You have your goals. So all you need to do is stick to it. So you might be the type of person that's like, man, that's easy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm focused. Like, that's what I do, right? Because we all know it is very easy to get sidetracked. For example, every day after work, Monday through Friday, you come straight home and you put an hour into your business. But one day, somebody's like, hey, we having a little get together after work, man. You down? 9 times out of 10, you probably be like, yeah, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Now, if you do that, you have to be a type of person like, yo, I'm going to go out after work, but as soon as I get home, I'm putting my hour in, right? Towards my business, toward my goals. Most people, especially if it's on a Monday or Tuesday or Friday, they like, all right, I'm going to go out to eat with the crew after work, whatever. And you know what, man, I'll just make that hour up tomorrow, man. I just do it tomorrow. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? This ain't going to hurt nothing if I miss today. No. Right? You got to keep them blinders on. Keep your focus, because that's the only way you're going to really achieve the goals that you have. Because let's be honest, we've seen all the success stories of all these people and millionaires and all that, and all of them talk about the work ethic. All of them talk about the grind they had to put in and the sacrifices they have to make. So what make us feel like we any different? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's going to take effort to achieve the goals that we have. And this tip is not only just for you, but it's for me. You know what I'm saying? Because I have blinders on. I have goals. I have financial goals that I want to reach, and I'm not stopping until I get there. And I shouldn't even say I ain't stopping until I get there, because even when I get there, shit, I'm gonna keep on going. This is why I post so many videos. This is why I talk about the things that I talk about, because my goals consist of building up my YouTube channel and growing my network marketing opportunities, right? Like, so to do that, I gotta be focused. I gotta be here with the shit, right? So this is why I grind, because I already know YouTube is a competitive space. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, it's competitive, right? So for every day that I take off, somebody else is working, right? Somebody else is doing what I should be doing. So I already know what I need to do to achieve my goals, and I'm sticking to it. But like I say, it does not matter what you're trying to do. You're trying to do YouTube, you're trying to do network marketing, you're trying to do drop shipping, eBay. It doesn't matter. What does matter is your focus and your relentlessness.